This is the new Volkswagen Jetta, freshly unveiled at the 2018 Detroit Motor Show. Before you get too attached to it, it won't be coming to the UK. Is that a great shame? It all depends on how much you like the looks. Previous Jettas have been little more than a golf saloon, and probably a bit dumpier than their hatchback base, but this one is a little more svelte. It's probably not as coupe-like as VW would like you to believe, but it's smart enough. The Jetta is VW's best-selling car in America. And funnily enough, VW isn't trumpeting diesel power. It comes with a 1.4-liter turbo petrol engine with 147 bhp and 184 pounds-foot, linked to either a 6-speed manual or 8-speed auto. There's a ton of safety equipment on offer, all the lane assist and active cruise stuff that's the stepping stones to self-driving, while VW proudly shouts about its 6-year/72,000 mile aftercare, which it calls the people first warranty. Like tech? VW's digital cockpit is on the options list, as is comprehensive phone link-up, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Mirror Link, and a 400-watt Beat stereo. The Jetta is longer and wider than before, with most of its extra length in the wheelbase. VW describes it as fun to drive, and if you go for the R-Line trim you'll get an electronic differential setup on the front axle. Even if it hasn't quite got enough power to really cause trouble. Perhaps VW should bring back the Jetta GDI to compensate. Then we'll start the campaign to get it to Britain.